Hi there, my name is Simon and welcome to Juicers.co.uk. Today, let's take a look at the Wilfa Powerfuel XL Blender. As you might be able to guess from its name, this is the largest model in the Powerfuel range, and it also packs the most power. Therefore, it aims to cater to batch scenarios, where that extra power and capacity are at their most useful. So let's see how well it handles itself and if it can compete with other models at the highest level. Now, as with most blenders, the heart of the Wilfa Powerfuel XL is in its control interface. However, where quite a lot of models have a very large, broad interface, Wilfa have instead opted for a cleaner and far more compact solution with the Powerfuel XL. In this case, the interface is contained completely in a single dial. That doesn't limit it at all though, and it still somehow includes some pre-programmed functions, a manual speed control, a pulse button, and even an LED stopwatch. All in all, that's rather impressive, and it makes for a very intuitive experience, as everything can be done by either twisting the dial or pressing it. For example, the 3 pre-programmed functions for hot soups, ice crushing, or smoothies can be selected by turning the dial anti-clockwise and are activated by pressing it. They can then run by themselves for the full length of the blending cycle program and will stop automatically when it's over. However, if none of the pre-programmed cycles are appropriate, it's also pretty easy to get started with a manual control blend. By simply twisting the dial clockwise, any of 4 speed levels can be selected and activated, once again with a single button press. The level can then be adjusted at any point to suit the desired end result. Alternatively, the Powerfuel XL can also pulse ingredients at its highest speed, which is achieved by pressing and holding the dial button in bursts. Beyond its technology-based features, the Powerfuel XL is also equipped with a large 2-litre blending jug. This makes it an ideal option for producing batch blends of soups or smoothies, for a whole family or advanced meal preparation. Yet, it's still perfectly capable of blending smaller loads too. Accompanying the blending jug, the Powerfuel XL also comes with a tamper/pusher. This is used by removing the cap from the top of the jug lid, which opens a hole through which the tamper can be inserted into the jug. It can then be used to stir ingredients and scrape them from the side of the jug as they are being blended. On top of its deceptively broad range of features, the Wilfa Powerfuel XL brings a lot to the table in terms of performance. As the largest unit in its range, it's likely to encounter the toughest scenarios. And as a result, Wilfa have also made it their most powerful blender. On that note, it's little surprise that the Powerfuel XL is equipped with a whopping 2000 watt motor. This allows it to output loads of power up into the blades, and at its top speed setting, they can spin at up to 32,000 rotations per minute. That's very fast, even among the most premium of blenders. And it allows the Powerfuel XL to easily blitz through all manner of ingredients, from more typical options such as fruits and vegetables, up to frozen foods and ice cubes. Alongside its high power specifications, it has also been engineered to blend optimally. In short, that means it can produce an ideal blending vortex, which allows ingredients to continuously fold over each other. This, in turn, gives all ingredients in the jug more contact time with the blades, and ensures everything from the top to the bottom of the jug is blended to an even consistency. Of course, producing a great vortex doesn't just happen by chance though. In this case, it's achieved through a combination of a square jug and a 6 blending blade design, which has been purpose-built to create strong currents, constantly drawing ingredients down and into the blades. So it's got great features and top tier performance. As a result, it's hardly surprising that the Wilfa Powerfuel XL is also a winner when it comes to user experience. For starters, the blending experience is very intuitive. Having all the features available through a single dial is very convenient, and the LEDs clearly show which setting has been selected. Plus, the pre-programmed functions make it very quick to get started with common blending scenarios. That said, the Powerfuel XL isn't just easy to use, it's easy to clean too. All the residue left in a jug after blending can easily be gathered together by adding some warm water and soap into the jug and then pulsing it for 30 seconds or so. Then the leftover mixture can be poured away and the jug can be quickly rinsed out to finish the job. Rounding out the experience, there's also the assembly process. Now, as with all blenders really, there's not much complication here. It really is just a case of placing the blending jug on the base, in line with the alignment fittings to ensure it's held firmly. That's it. Lastly, let's move on to discussing the build quality of the Wilfa Powerfuel XL. Now, at this point, we have come to expect very high standards from Wilfa's products, and this model is no exception. It's built remarkably well from top to bottom. Starting at the top, the 2-litre blending jug is made of BPA-free Triton plastic. Now, Triton offers a number of advantages when used in blending jugs. Firstly, it's very hard wearing, it's durable, and it's shatter resistant. However, on top of that, it's completely food safe, and its flexible nature ensures it doesn't crack like glass from motor vibrations. Then, within the jug, there's the blade assembly, which is made entirely of stainless steel. Since the blades take the most wear and use during blending, it's crucial that they are made of the toughest materials. However, as an added bonus, the base plate is also made of stainless steel. Therefore, that entire area is nicely reinforced. Lastly, even the motor base benefits from Wilfa's high standards, with a matte metal casing around the motor. It's a very premium package, and to make it even better, with some added peace of mind, it's supported by a 5-year warranty. Although, while we're impressed by the build quality, we're even more impressed that it's that good while keeping the unit stylish. It's compact, clean, and minimalist, in a stunning matte black finish that you really can't go wrong with. So, after reviewing this for all the key criteria that make a good blender, we feel confident in saying that the Wilfa Powerfuel XL achieves its goal. It's got a large capacity, a ton of power, and intuitive controls to get started in a flash. There's no doubt it's competing at the top of the market, and it even does so in style, which is always nice to see. As with all top-tier blenders, it's not made to be cheap. However, in spite of that, we feel it's an absolute bargain considering how good it is. The build quality and sheer blending power this model packs would typically imply a much larger price tag than it actually has. So, if you're on the hunt for a new blender, either as a high quality upgrade or a fantastic buy for the money, we can easily recommend the Wilfa Powerfuel XL as one of the best options available right now. As always, thank you for joining us, and we really hope you found this review useful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, and we'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below. For more content like this, be sure to check out our channel and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest releases. Be sure to have a lovely day, and we'll catch you next time.